everyone, we are here to talk about cellular services, PSL mostly. So please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Neha.
Hi Neha, and is it okay if I know your age, if you can tell us?
23.
23, that's okay. Okay, and your education, your high degree?
Engineering.
Okay, engineering in which branch?
IT.
Okay, and what profession you are looking for?
Marketing.
Marketing, that's good. Is it okay if you tell us about your annual income of your family? Something around.
What's the range that you have?
Range, I'll say above 5 lakh and 2 to 5 lakh and less than 2.
Above 5.
Okay, above 5, that's good. Okay, so do you use internet?
Yeah.
Okay, so mostly on mobile or
Laptop.
Laptop mostly. So you use internet on mobile also? Sometimes?
Sometimes.
Okay. So what services you look for mostly in internet, like for example social networking, email, Google, and like internet services. So which all services you look for mostly?
Yeah, same Facebook, mail.
Okay. And travel booking, financial transactions, etc. Not much.
No.
Okay, that's good. Okay. And where do you use internet mostly? Home, office, or here in hostel or cyber cafe? Where?
Hostel.
Hostel. Okay. And on an average, how much do you spend monthly on internet?
Free.
Sorry?
I mean, it's free now.
Yeah, no, but if you need to spend, then how much you are ready to spend?
250 to 300, I guess.
Okay, not more than that. That's fine. But that's good. Which mobile connection do you own right now?
Airtel.
Okay, Airtel. Okay. Is it okay if I ask why Airtel? I mean, why not any other services?
We only get Airtel here.
Yeah, I know it's accessible. So, okay, which handset?
This is Nokia, Asha, something.
Okay, take it. Apart from call and SMS, which all services you look for, like for example, gaming, etc., video calling, apps download, what all you do?
Cell phone?
Yes.
Only WhatsApp.
Okay, only WhatsApp. Okay. Nothing like HelloTunes, etc. Not much. Okay. 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 Do you use internet services on mobile?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah. So rarely or frequently?
Rarely, to check mails.
Okay, just to check mails. Okay. So I mean, why not frequently? Is it because of costly or what's the reason?
No, because we have a laptop. So.
Okay. So if you do check, so just checking for mails, and apart from that, nothing like you don't use Facebook, etc. Okay. Okay. So if possible, please RAM these things, and the 1 is the most preferable and 8 is the least preferable. And the thing is email, social networking, video chat, entertainment like music, video, etc. And information search, Google, and travel booking and financial transactions. Which are the things you do mostly on internet?
Social networking, then mail,
then information search.
Information search. Okay. Then
video chat, entertainment. Which one?
Yeah, entertainment, YouTube kind of thing. Okay. And then last I would say the
financial. Okay. Okay. So how much important you think that internet is on mobile? Internet use in mobile phones today. How much important is it?
It is very important, especially if you are traveling.
Yeah, okay. So when you are in mobile services, I mean like when you are moving, that's point of time. And when you are like in the same place, like when we are in campus, at that point of time you don't think it's important? Not much. Okay. Okay. So which source of information from where did you come to know about the schemes, the validity, price, etc. of the mobile internet services? Like your friends told you about it, or
no, the store wala.
Okay, the store wala, the retailer. So you don't see the company websites or customer care. You don't prefer those people. Okay, fine. So please rank all these things like friends and family from the sources: friends and family, TV, newspaper, magazine, billboards, company websites, customer care, and retailers. As you said, the retailers is the
retailers,
most.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then some of those pamphlets.
Okay, the pamphlets and the websites, company websites.
No, not websites. Okay. Then sometimes friends.
And then newspaper, magazines, TV.
No,
not much. Okay. So who told you about the mobile internet services the first time you used? How come you know about it? Like who told you about it? The mobile internet services the first time you used?
Like when I bought the cell phone, there only.
Okay, so the retailer told you about it. Okay. So you never consider asking customer care about it, how to use mobile services and okay. So How much time do you spend on an average, on daily basis, on using internet in mobile? Mobile. Not much.
15-20 minutes.
15-20 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and how much are you willing to pay for it, like on a monthly basis?
Monthly, 30 maybe, 30 to 50.
Okay, not much. Okay. So, okay, please tell us about the how much important it is, these factors that when you use mobile services. For example, how much important is price when you go for the mobile internet services. So, how important is the price? Like you say that how important when you go for the schemes, that how important you consider the prices are.
Prices are very important, I would say.
Okay, very important. And validity, what do you say about validity?
I like most of the internet schemes have a 1 month validity. So
okay, so if you get in 1 month validity and 3 month validity, and the price is not very the price difference is not much, then which one you will go for?
Then the 3 month.
3 month, okay. And the amount of data usage, like you get 1 GB pack, 2 GB pack, right? So which one?
Actually, I prefer the one where we only pay when we use it instead of having these fixed.
Okay. So okay. And what about the speed? How much important do you think speed is? The internet speed?
Yeah, it is
pretty much important. Okay. Okay. So please rank this thing: the price, validity, data usage, and speed. Like which one is most preferred to least preferred?
Price, validity, speed, data usage.
Okay, price, okay. And do you know about 3G services?
Yeah.
You ever use it on mobile? Not much. Okay. Okay. So as I asked that why Airtel? It's accessible, as you said. There is no other reason. Okay. So have you ever considered switching to any other services?
Yeah, Vodafone. I mean, when I was in Bombay, I was using Vodafone.
Okay.
Only here that we have.
Okay. That's all I want to know about it. Thank you, Neha.
Thank you.